G'day people, how you going? This is a breakfast cereal? But in Australia, we generally don't say breakfast for breakfast. We usually say the word brekkie. And brekkie is just a shortening of breakfast. So breakfast is in two parts, break, fast. But when you put it together, it's breakfast. It's just the way it's said all around the English world. But in Australia, we generally like to take off the fast and just put a Y in the end, so brekkie, breaky. So if you say it really slow, it should be breaky. We say brekkie. And that is generally how we say brekkie for breakfast. Now, as you can see, I have a fibre breakfast, brekkie. We get all different types. This one actually helps you go to the toilet, helps you shit. And it comes from this company here. And this is one of our two major supermarkets. This in Victoria, Woolworths, used to be called Safeway. And the other one is Coles. And they're the two dominant Safeway chains, but there are others. And there are other different types of brekkie cereal that we have in Australia. Some of them actually probably occur in the other places in the world, like Fruit Loops, Cocoa Pops, Rice Bubbles, Special K. But we also have something like Wheat Bix. I don't really have any products of them because I don't really eat brekkie. I don't really like eating this stuff with milk. What do I like to eat? Probably bacon and eggs. That's a beautiful brekkie. Beautiful. And that's how I use the word brekkie in a sentence. So, for knowledgeable demonstration, you would say, I like this brekkie cereal. This brekkie cereal, it tastes good. Or, tomorrow morning for brekkie, we are going to have this breakfast cereal. Or, bacon and eggs. Which one would you like? So, to use the word brekkie in a sentence, you just replace it with breakfast. Or you do it the other way around. You replace breakfast with brekkie. Sorry for the confusion. So, that is how Australians say breakfast. So, eat your brekkie in the morning. Hooroo.